Hello and welcome back to Beautifully Explained. I'm Mohana Dege. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I'm really glad to have you here. Today, we are going to do something which I am really excited about, and that is unboxing the certain package over here along with you guys. So this is ordered from Ulta, if you can see right here on the box, which is an American beauty store, and that has all the bomb products for skincare and for hair. Now, as you might already know, I am in love with skincare and hair care products and styles and methods and taking care and all of those things. So I realized I was running out of my shampoo, my conditioner, and I just needed to restock some things. And now all of these products will be my first times. They are all new, not a part of my current routine. So there'll be a first impression video coming up very soon. However, today I'm just gonna unbox it with you, and I have paid for them. Nothing comes free. So these are here and we'll see them together. The very first thing that I got is the Curl Talk shampoo, which is from Not Your Mother's. Now this is said to be a very nice shampoo for curly hair. This does have a little fragrance to it. I am a person who does not enjoy a lot of fragrance in my beauty and hair care products, but it's not that overpowering. It smells like a fruit, which I'm not really able to recollect. It says it has no sulfate, no silicones, no alcohol, no dyes, no parabens. It is the one which lathers, which is good. I don't like shampoos which don't lather. It just doesn't make me feel clean, and like I have said before, I cannot stand unclean scalp. So it's very necessary for me that it lathers very nicely. So let's see how it works. I also ordered the conditioner along with it from the same range. That is from the Curl Talk range. This is 3-in-1 conditioner, and it says that it is frizz-free and moisturizing and with rice curl complex and for all curl types. So like I've mentioned before, I am anywhere ranging from 2B to C to 3A. So the ones which are underneath are really curly because obviously they are not out and exposed to the environment, so they have retained their curl, whereas the ones here you can see are very flat in the curls pattern, but they'll be fine. As I told you, I just started my curly hair journey once again, well, partially. That is why I ordered this, and it says it's lightweight, which is again very important for me because my hair cannot take something which is very moisturizing, overly conditioning. It makes it look very clumpy and stuck together, and just not something which looks very nice for my hair type. So I really like which is lightweight, and this is frizz free. I do battle with frizz, which is okay. Curly hair and frizz are like twins. They cannot be without each other. So there is going to be a little bit amount of frizz, but I battle it mainly because of my hair color, which is obvious because I've bleached my hair, so that is going to be there. So I need to control that, not the frizz which is because of my curls. That I'm fine with having, but this I can control. So that is what I want to fight against, and that's why these two from Not Your Mother's. Now if you remember, in my earlier video I also showed another shampoo and conditioner, which was the charcoal line from Not Your Mother's, which is also an excellent shampoo. Based on that, I have ordered these two because I've heard really good things about these two as well, so I just wanted to give it a try. So let's see how they work out. And along with that, I also ordered the mask that comes with it. So this is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Deep Conditioning Curl Mask, and this is sort of a deep conditioning treatment. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to use this and not use my conditioner, and you have to leave this for about 15 to 20 minutes or so. And on the back it says leave on hair for as long as desired. Now again, like I just mentioned, I don't like my hair very oily looking. I like them dry and free, so I might leave them for about 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Use as often as needed, which is a very good thing because I need more nourishment, I need more moisturizing, but not heavy moisturizing, but more number of times. So this was a very good alternative. I have heard really good things about this one. Hope it turns out true for my hair. Even this one is for all curl types, and it says with superfood, oil blend and sunflower seed extract. I'm planning to use this one in the shampoo next time I have to shampoo, and let's see what the hair their results are. And now moving on to skincare. So for skincare, my very first priority is it should not be very heavy on fragrance. I have a very sensitive, anything which is very strongly scented or strongly formulated right away shows up, creates red patches, and they go away very quickly, like within 10-15 minutes of application. But I don't want to have that, so I might as well avoid that. So the brand which I absolutely love to death is the Ordinary brand, and I have shown you before the niacinamide serum that I use from Ordinary. I also went ahead and ordered 3 more products from Ordinary, and I'm going to show them to you right now. So let's just first talk about the very first one, and that is from the Ordinary, and that is glycolic acid 7% toning solution. I ran out of my toner. I was waiting for a very long time to order this one because I had 3 toners and I ran out of all of them finally. So now I have this. It is something like this. It comes with a cap and the replaceable dropper cap as well. And then all you have to do is pour it on a cotton and just apply. Now this is not recommended to be used every single day because this is, first of all, glycolic acid. It heavily treats your skin. The pH is very low, which means it's very acidic for your skin, and it is a 7% concentrated solution. So that also means that it is very heavily concentrated. So low pH and heavily concentrated together can be harmful if used more often. It's all written on the label. This has no fragrance. This is very affordable. I think it was about $8 or so, which is excellent for no fragrance, very potent skincare. On the back of this, it says that first of all, it's acidic, fragrance free. The visible targets are texture irregularities and obviously for toning. So I'm really excited to use this one. Start using this twice a week, and then eventually I'll go to 3 times a week. I don't think it's recommended more than that, but we'll see where we go with it. The next thing I ordered for specially wintertime routine is the 100% organic cold pressed rosehip seed oil. Now this is an oil and it is mainly for hydration. The target areas that it says is supports healthy skin, again fragrance free, very affordable. I believe it was $6 or $7, which is very good. It is in UV protected packaging, meaning it's in black bottle, which means that even if you have it in your room where sunlight is there, this is not going to go bad. Well, you should not keep it in direct exposure of sunlight anytime. So this is what it looks like, yellow in color. So let's see. I'm just going to put 2 drops. I'm very frugal with my skincare. I use it only as much as needed because it is expensive. So if you see here, it does not leave any tint, which is good. It's very lightweight. It right away got absorbed in my skin. It's not very oily. I'm going to start using this every single day in my PM routine for extra nourishment, extra moisture. It's really very lightweight. I really don't feel like there's any oil. It just feels as if I've applied some moisturizing lotion or something. Maybe I'm late to the game. This is something I should have purchased way earlier. But nevertheless, I have it now. I'll let you know how it feels on my skin after leaving it for one whole night. And the next thing is retinol 0.5% squalane solution. It is highly stable. It is water-free solution and has 0.5% of pure retinol. Retinol is used so that your skin grows more. Your skin production increases by retinol, and therefore it helps in signs of aging. It helps in repair work. It helps in removing marks and all of those because it enhances skin production. Now retinol you should not go and use right away on your skin because it does cause peeling. So it is recommended that you start with a lower percentage of retinol composition and then work your way up. So usually if you have highly sensitive skin for product application, you should either start from 0.2 or 0.5 and then go to 1% and then 2%. I'm just starting. This is my first retinol product ever. As it says on the back of the package, it targets textural irregularities and signs of aging. Luckily, touch wood, I don't experience signs of aging now. But you should not use products when you start experiencing signs of aging. You should use them before or right when you know that aging visibly starts. Before that, if you use it, it is going to give you long-term results. This has a little yellow tint to it. I'm going to put it 1 drop. So it's supposed to be used as a serum. Use it before you apply moisturizer. So this also does not leave any tint. Does not feel heavy at all. I really like it. Let's see how much peeling or whatever it causes. This just says it's water-free solution. So make sure you're applying all your water-based products before this one. And this is the last serum, then moisturizer and your oil. And the last but not the least, from the box, my LA Pro Well Concealer. Now, I have talked about this before. This is my favorite concealer. Again, very affordable for such a good concealer. Has lots and lots of colors. My color is pure beige. This is my third concealer. I absolutely love it. It has an applicator brush which you can directly apply onto your skin. So if I just remove a little bit, this is my color. I love this concealer. Very affordable, awesome consistency, many color options. And that was all. Those are all the things I have. I absolutely love these brands already. However, these are all new products. I'll be trying them out and letting you know how they feel on my skin and how they feel leaving overnight and using these hair care products on my first day of shampoo and so on. And I'll let you know the results as well. So do follow me on Instagram. I'll let you know the results there, and I'll also shoot a video of the first impressions of the hair products and let you know. Before you head out, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next Sunday. Take care of yourself, love yourself, you truly matter. Bye.